Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the COIN6900 token. Ticker symbol is COIN. Now this token is on the Base chain, Coinbase's blockchain. They're actually trending number 2 on DEX Screener. Huge market cap, big 24-hour trading volume. This token is up 750% in the past 24 hours. Very popular project today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this token. At COIN6900 base, it says the coin, join the coin flippening. Has a link to their webpage right there, COIN6900.com. Brand new project. You can see they just joined Twitter October 2024. 274 followers, 38 tweets, and a blue verified checkmark. If you scroll down in the pinned tweet, they have the contract address. So it's real easy to get this token. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Base tokens. So you could download a Coinbase wallet, that'd be fitting, or a MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with ETH and bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Base for the COIN6900 token using the contract address that you could find in their pinned tweet right there or on their webpage. Now, as per taxes here, you may have to set slippage. We could check here to see if there's taxes. So it says on DEX Screener, there's a Go Plus security audit that says 0% buy and sell taxes, so you won't have to set slippage. And you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees, though. So according to their audits here, there's a token sniffer audit. They got 100 out of 100. There's a quick intel security audit that has no issues on it. And they also have a... They have a Go Plus security audit that they go over even more things, and there's no issues on that either. Now, right now, they have 84,090 holders for this token here, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 billion coin tokens. It's kind of funny to say that. Now, yeah, you can find the chart on DEX Tools, DEX Screener. If you go to DEX Tools, or DEX Screener, you're also going to find tons of links. So on DEX Tools, you could find a Bubble Maps link, contact, email, COIN6900 at outlook.com, Telegram, Twitter, webpage, and Base Scan. So you can find all the links basically on DEX Tools. Now, in the past 7 days, this token is up 2,714%. They have a DEX score on DEX Tools of 91 out of 99. And they have three audits on DEX Tools as well. And there's no warnings on any of those either. So that's great as well. Now, their Telegram is at COIN6900 base. 140 subscribers on there. You could preview the channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding the project. like new partnerships, new token listing announcements, memes, all that good stuff. And same with their Twitter here. So those are going to be the best place to see updates. If you go to the webpage, COIN6900.com, they have links to everything. It says, following the 6900 meta, COIN6900 aims to emulate the success of SPX 6900, MSTR 2100, and LSD. Now, I did videos on the SPX and MSTR tokens. If you've seen those tokens, those are very popular meme coins that have come out in the past month or so. So check those videos out. There even was an SPX 2.0 token that came out. I did a video on that as well. But yeah, on their webpage, there's not like a ton of information. There's just basically, it's like a link tree and then that little blurb. So this is just basically, you know, a spin-off token of the other tokens. They're basically claimed to be like the meme NASDAQ, you know, they call it the you know, the S&P 500, so this would be the SPX 6900, and instead of NASDAQ spelled with an S, they'd spell it with a Z. So it's just, you know, a meme NASDAQ basically. But yeah, this token here has a market cap of $1 million right now, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $416,000. They've had 33,522 transactions today. Now, this token is fairly new, but not brand new. It came out, the pair was created on Uniswap 25 days, 16 hours ago. So it's, you know, less than a month old, but still, this token is trending number 2 right now in the base section on DEX Screener. So still very popular, even though it's almost a month old. They're up 713% today in the past 24 hours. They have $92,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 99.88% of that total liquidity is locked and burned, and you can verify that on DEX Screener. And token price today is about a tenth of a penny, 0.001 USD. And they have been promoting themselves. Maybe that's why they're trending number 2 today and doing very well, because they, you know, have the marketing boost button and they're doing marketing today on DEX Screener with some ads. And yeah, so welcome to COIN6900. Imagine the power of the whole entire stock market put inside a little tiny crypto coin on Base. And that is basically all the info on this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about the COIN token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.